skip. Oh! Oh! That was my first pack today, I swear to God. Oh. Okay, send him to the club. Okay, I'll do that was a good pack. Like, that was my first pack I got an inform. Can't believe it. Alright. Oh! Oh! Another inform. I swear to God, that's my second pack. We'll have another inform. Bet you money, bet you money. Oh, didn't happen exactly like I wanted it to this time. Ready? What the f... I will take contracts. Alright. Well, pack no longer available. Okay, let's do... Ready? Oh. Yay. Alright. Actually... I'll figure that out. But thanks, guys, for watching. We got 2 informs today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day. Peace out.